Hello everyone, welcome back to IELTS Soaring community. How are you today? I hope all you guys are doing really well, okay? And today I'm gonna make another video in a series of videos about 100 phrases and their synonyms in IELTS Listening Test. So I hope you like it. And before we get started, don't forget to like and share this video to support us. And yes, we make a lot of video here, so let's check it out, okay? And we also have another channel which is focused on reading and listening skills, so you can follow it as well, okay? So we're gonna make another series of videos gonna guide you step by step to do the test in IELTS Cambridge. All right, IELTS Cambridge book. So I hope you like it. And now here we go. And this is the video number 4. And so I'm gonna make another video, like the last video, part 5. So subscribe my channel for upcoming videos, okay? So in IELTS listening test, you need to understand the way they make the questions. You will never see exactly the words or phrases in the answer sheet or in the questions exactly the same in the recording, so it's quite tricky. I think it makes you confused when you listen, and maybe sometimes you not pay attention on it, and you're gonna miss the answers for the questions. So this video is gonna help you boost your vocabulary, the synonyms, and also help you master the skill looking for the keyword, okay? So now let's get started. The first phrase today is no more than, okay? No more than. Maybe in the question, in the answer sheet, they're gonna say like no more than 50 people, okay? So in the recording, they're gonna say like the maximum people are around 50. All right, so the maximum is like the biggest number, okay? Number 2, not knowing the criteria for getting a good mark. Okay, so like criteria is kind of standards to judge or mark or grade something. All right, so it's like there's some standards that the examiners may mark you. It's the same meaning like not knowing, it's like haven't, okay? Got information on how the lecturer is going to rate my work. So rate my work, so have the same meaning with like something is like criteria, okay? Criteria, got information, stuff like that. So the way the lecturer gonna mark your essay or assignment, so something like that. Number 3, optimistic. Are you optimistic? I think I am. It's kind of positive when you think about something, even it's quite difficult to deal with, but you still think in a good way and find the solution, okay? So think about the half full and the half empty glass. Remember that? Okay, so think about the half full glass. It's much better than you think the way like the half empty glass, okay? Number 4, primary is an adjective. So for sure you're gonna remember. I think you remember like primary school, right? So it's primary school is something, it's like teach you something really basic, but it's really essential, fundamental. So it have the same meaning with radical. Okay, it's something is really, really important and great in degree. So fundamental, some the basic stuff you need to know is like important, essential. So you need to know the synonyms, because that's the primary things that's going to help you boost your band score. Okay. Number 4, proposal should be reordered in some parts. So proposal is like a plan. You show your ideas or your what you want to do in your project or in your thesis or your assignments. No, it's not assignment. It's your dissertation. If you attend the bachelor, you attend a university, a course in a university, then you need to do that. We have proposal here the same. So reordered is like you need to organize in a different way. Okay, so like maybe the lecturer, your tutor, your professor gonna ask you to reorder in some parts. That mean like it could be have a better sequence. Sequence is like the way you organize the ideas and stuff. Number 6, provide more evidence. So back up some data. Data is kind of evidence that gonna help your essays, your project gonna be more persuadable. Okay, it's like you provide more evidence. The next one, number 7, put in. Put in have many different meanings. So in this case, it's have like you install something like the heater or the air conditioner in your room. Okay, so we can use put in, or it has the same meaning with install some devices or something. Number 8, rare. Rare means something is not common, or didn't happen. Something doesn't happen often. So we have infrequent, or we have rarely. So infrequently, it's an adverb. Number 9, recently. Really, when you talk about recently, it's like something not long ago. Maybe the last couple of days, or the last couple of months, or last couple of weeks till now, not a long ago. Number 10, reduce the demand for instant coffee. So when we reduce something, like something goes down, decrease. Okay, demand is like the need of the customers. Is the reduce the demand. That's mean like fewer and fewer people need instant coffee. So we can say fewer. The amounts of people who buy coffee. All right. Okay. The next one, number 11, research by examining. Examining is a research, examining. It's not that difficult, okay? Number 12, results or consequence. Consequence is like the results or effects of something. Or you do something good or you do something bad. It's all have consequence. Okay, or results. Or when you finish the exam, the IELTS exam, you're gonna get the results of couple of days, maybe. That the results. Number 13 is quite interesting. Ruin or devastate. It means damage something or feel very badly or utterly destroy it. So you crazy, you ruin my day. It's like you destroy my day, you make my day bad, really bad. Or you can use this one to describe your feeling. Okay, so I feel really this devastated. It's been like, oh, I'm broken heart and feel really bad, stuff like that. Okay, number 14, safe places and refuge areas and sanctuaries. Areas, sanctuaries have the same meaning with places or some location. Okay, so what you need to focus and pay attention to is safe is the same meaning with refuge. It's something where you feel safe, you can hide from danger or stuff like that. And you have refugees, people who move across the border to run away from the war or the danger they may be struggle with. Okay. 15, save time. When you save time, so do a quicker way. Do a quicker way, then we save time. Okay. 16, seasonal fluctuations. We have seasonal, and fluctuations. It's like go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Something fluctuate is go up and down, and fluctuation is like, yeah, just like that. It's just a noun. And then we have something that we can describe change. It's not remain the same condition or situation. Okay, it change, go up, down, or something is like stable. No. Number 17, sentence is often poorly done. We have often poorly done. It's like finish something is quite bad because of lack of time. Like you don't have enough of time. All right, so a bit tend to get badly done. So poorly done and badly done has similar meaning. Okay, and we have run out of time. It's like you don't have more time. A lot of time, or you no longer have time. Having time, run out of time or lack of time, and poorly and badly. So maybe in the recording they're gonna say, the bit tends to get badly done because people run out of time. But in the answer sheet, the question or some options you have, it says sections is often poorly done because of lack of time. Okay, so you need to note it. I think it's really useful. Number 18, see and realize. See something and then you understand something, you aware of something and realize, and then you know something more, what you didn't know it before. Okay. Number 19, shorten sentences. Shorten is a verb. We have an adjective like short. Shorten is a verb, make something short. And cut sentence down. Cut down is like make it shorter and shorter. Okay. And the last one for today. Alright, staff shortage. Staff shortage. There's not enough of staff to run the business or to offer the services in the coffee shop or in the restaurant or stuff like that. So we have shortage. Or you can have food shortage, like not enough food for everyone, like shortage. And understaffed. Under is like not enough. Okay, for example, in your restaurant, you need 20 staff or 20 employees to run the business, but you just have like 15 or 16, so you are understaffed. So there is a staff shortage recently. Okay, so that's all about the vocabulary for this video, part 4, and there are one more video and then we're gonna finish this series of video, 100 phrases and their synonyms. So I'm really hope you like this series talking about phrases and synonyms in IELTS listening. I'm going to make more and more videos about this topic because it's the key point that's going to help you push your band score. Okay, so don't forget to visit our website as well, IELTSsharingcommunity.com, and we upload lots of learning materials on it. Okay, and see you the next video. Bye.